Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on privacy center, you just click on it. You come to next here, then you come here to search profiles privately here. Just click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. Before that you have to get your premium. So then it's going to enable with you here on your Truecaller app. Here search profiles privately here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.